tour of the lifts in Portsmouth City. That's right, the whole of Portsmouth City. This lift tour will include Gunwharf Quays, the city centre, Southsea, Fratton, just north of Copner, Hilsea and Cosham. Starting off at Gunwharf Quays. Gunwharf Quays has loads of Otis 2000 lifts which have already been modernised by Kontinuum, as well as a few other lifts there too. Now to the first lift, which is the east lift in the main square, which is one of the Otis 2000s which have been already modernised by Kontinuum.
Doors closing.
This is the East Otis 2000 that's been modernised by Generic at Gunwharf Quays, lift at Gunwharf Quays Shopping Centre in Portsmouth.
Doors opening.
Before we go, people want to get in. Yeah. Now to the next lift, which is in the main square again. This time it's the West lift, which is identical to this one.
Doors closing.
So this is a Otis 2000 which has been modernised by Generic at Gunwharf Quays Shopping Centre, main square in Portsmouth.
Ground floor.
This will be the west one. That's to the west of the square.
Doors opening.
Go straight down again.
Slowing down. Doors
Door close
closing.
button works, which is good. Do this indicator this time. I do quite like this indicator, it's pretty good.
Other basement.
That clock is currently over an hour
Doors
out.
opening.
It's actually currently 4:21. Now to the next lift, which is the north lift in the square. This lift, once again, is identical to the last two, except this time only serves the ground and first floor, and is also hydraulic.
Going down. Doors closing.
This is the very busy North Otis 2000 lift being modernised by Generic at Gunwharf Quays Shopping Centre in Portsmouth.
Ground floor.
This lift A serves the ground floor
Doors
and the first floor.
opening.
And with a very nice shaft. Now to the next lift, which is the south lift in the square. Oh dear, we have a veil elevator. Last time I was here, the door motor sounded rather dodgy, let's say. It was moaning quite a bit. I come here now to find that this lift had appeared to have been shut down. The indicator is blank, it's not probably switched off, and you cannot call it at all. Oh dear. I'm not too sure if this one's working, I will try. No, that is not working. Epic fail. Now we head over to the lift opposite Spinnaker Tower. This is Otis 2000 lift. At the moment, you cannot access this lift due to construction works on the first floor, so therefore I couldn't film it. However, on my journey over there to have an update myself, in other words, just go look at what's going on of the construction works, I found another lift I didn't know about. I saw a brand new lift, which is just a Generic, but it is a really nice looking glass lift. Here's my video that I did of it. I'm at the western end of the upper balcony at Gunwharf Quays in Portsmouth, and I just found a new lift. Not in service yet. Looks like it's going to be a Generic. Is that an MRL? No, it's probably a hydraulic. So yeah, the hydraulic. So thought I'd show you this. They're currently redeveloping this entire balcony area here. We've done the floor too. See, that's all new. Whether the lift at the end is going to survive now, I don't know. Might be able to get a place of this. As I say, I don't know. So of course when this lift does come in service, I will film it for you guys. Now to the next lift. which is on the canal side. This is the South Otis 2000 lift. This is the Otis 2000 hydraulic, which serves the upper basement car park, the ground floor for the canal side, the first floor for disabled access to Tiger, and the second floor for 24/7 fitness gym. This is one of the only few Otis 2000s which are still original.
Oh, I'm so sorry, pardon me. Fart on camera.
Going up. Doors closed.
This is a Otis 2000 hydraulic lift at the south of the canal side at Gunwharf Quays shopping centre in Portsmouth. It's still in 2000, like all the other Otis 2000s here at Gunwharf Quays.
Second floor.
One of the few that are still original. That's how you free like it.
Doors
I mean, that have been modernised, you know. So the small ones that have been left unmodernised, main floor, in the square, have now been modernised by Kontinuum. Capacity 8 persons, 630 kilograms.
ground floor.
Yep, ground floor on the canal side level.
Doors opening.
And let's watch it go. Hello, Merry Christmas. This one has beeping, these are beeping fixtures, these ones here.
Now we head along to the Superdry store, to where we find a generic home lift.
It's Kontinuum and it's designed
This is a generic home lift at Superdry store in Gunwharf Quays, Portsmouth. It's all by GMV Lift Systems and Movement SKG. Capacity 5 persons, 500 kilograms, and was built in 2016. And it is a very slow hydraulic lift. And that's a copy of the Otis 2000 indicator there.
Doors opening.
There, back down again. This the close button works. That's a good thing. Very similar to the ones at West Quay, or this indicator at least anyway. Yeah. Do you like the ADs that come through the ceiling? They're very nice. It's even slower going down. Tiny little speaker there, look. That's your intercom. Your fixtures down here. I think they're DMG, but I don't know. If someone does know what the fixtures are, please do let me know in the comments. Definitely not quicker than going downstairs. Plenty of good music, they've got a bonus system in here. Here we are at the ground floor. Or floor 0 as the voice says.
Doors opening.
Now to the lift in HMV, which is Otis 2000 hydraulic with the yellow LCD indicator. And this lift smells of yogurts.
This is a 2003 Otis 2000 hydraulic lift at HMV in Gunwharf Quays Shopping Centre in Portsmouth with the nice yellow LED indicator.
And now we go over from Gunwharf Quays to the city centre and along to the Isambard Brunel multi-storey car park to the unknown old lifts that have now been modernised by ThyssenKrupp.
Doors closing. Doors opening. Lift going up. Doors closing.
Didn't quite work close there. These are some unknown old lifts, modernised by ThyssenKrupp with generic fixtures at Isambard Brunel multi-storey car park in Portsmouth.
Level 8. Doors opening.
And here they are. There actually used to be some over there, but they've now been boarded up and they're now disused. The indicator this side don't work. It does there though. Got your motor them up there. That's the Guildhall you can hear. Or at least the bells anyway. And this one has a really funny 10 value voice.
Doors closing.
That doesn't quite sound right, does it? Oh god. But apart from that, it's no different to the other lift. Got a panel here, you go. Where the original indicator used to be. That's probably an old light. Yeah. It's the new light.
Doors opening.
And now to some more lifts that are like this. It's set at that are like this. It's set this time not in the car park, but in the central library. This time they've been modernised by Kone with no bell fixtures.
Doors closing. Going down.
Same sort of lift as in the Isambard Brunel multi-storey car park. Except this time at the Central
Lower
Library
ground floor.
in Portsmouth.
Lower ground floor. Doors opening.
Flipping mad.
Lower ground floor.
I was saying you're flipping mad to the voice. It's been modernised by Kone with Kone no bell indicators, except with Dewhurst fixtures. Got the old light up here, that's light. That's the replacement light, emergency light, your telephone, windrest.
Third floor.
You got the cafe.
Doors opening.